Battlefield 2042's demanding Frostbite engine can cause high CPU usage, leading to stuttering and frame drops. This powerful engine handles complex simulations like physics, AI, and large-scale battles in the game. These demanding processes can overload your CPU, causing performance issues. This section explains the causes. Later sections provide practical fixes to reduce CPU load and improve performance. Outdated drivers often cause CPU bottlenecks in Battlefield 2042. The first step is updating your graphics drivers to the latest versions. For NVIDIA users, update to the Game-Ready Driver 570 series or newer. This includes Battlefield 2042 specific optimizations. For AMD users, update to Adrenalin 25.11 or newer. These driver updates improve CPU-GPU synchronization. These updates can reduce CPU usage by 5 to 10% through better synchronization between your CPU and GPU. Check the synchronization diagram to understand how drivers optimize data flow between CPU and GPU. Updated drivers ensure smoother gameplay in Battlefield 2042, as shown in these performance examples. Lowering graphics settings in Battlefield 2042 significantly reduces CPU load by decreasing the computational demands on your processor. Start by reducing the overall quality and effects settings from ultra to high in the game's graphics menu. This change can lead to noticeable performance improvements, as shown in before and after comparisons where CPU usage drops. Disable VSync, as it can cause CPU spikes when not properly synced with your GPU, leading to higher processor load. Experiment with different combinations of settings to find the best balance for your system. According to community benchmarks, these adjustments can reduce CPU usage by 20 to 25%. Battlefield 2042 may not efficiently distribute tasks across all CPU cores, leading to high usage on some cores. You can manually direct the game to use specific cores by setting CPU affinity in Task Manager. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S. In Task Manager, go to the Processes tab to see running applications. Switch to the Details tab for more options. Find the Battlefield 2042 process, right-click it. Choose Set Affinity from the menu to open the processor selection window. Select the cores you want the game to use. Test different configurations to find what works best for your system. Be cautious. Incorrectly setting affinity can actually decrease performance. Apply these settings while playing Battlefield 2042 to optimize CPU usage. Background applications and processes consume CPU resources, directly competing with Battlefield 2042 during gameplay. To minimize interference, close unnecessary programs before launching the game. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games running in the background. Additionally, disable non-essential startup programs through the Task Manager's Startup tab. This frees up CPU resources right from system boot, preventing unnecessary load. Even antivirus software can impact performance, especially during active scans. Consider scheduling scans during non-gaming times or using lighter security options. Hardware considerations focus on upgrading components for better Battlefield 2042 performance. The game performs better on CPUs with more cores and higher instructions per clock. Consider upgrading to AMD Ryzen 5000 or 7000 series or Intel 12th generation and newer CPUs. Faster RAM at 3200 MHz or higher reduces CPU wait times. An SSD also minimizes wait times and boosts performance. Upgrading hardware provides the most reliable long-term improvement. Use monitoring tools like MSI Afterburner or Task Manager to track CPU usage, temperature, and clock speeds while playing. High CPU usage above 90% indicates a bottleneck that needs attention. Identify which processes are consuming the most CPU resources to pinpoint the source of the problem and adjust settings accordingly. Consistent monitoring aids in targeted optimization. EA continues to release patches to improve CPU optimization in Battlefield 2042. The Season 8 update reduced CPU overhead by 15 to 20% on mid-tier systems through improved threading and reduced background processes. Future updates may include further engine refinements and optimizations. EA has hinted at a full engine overhaul in 2026, potentially integrating more efficient processing for better CPU handling. Stay updated with the latest game updates. Check EA's official forums and patch notes for the latest information on performance improvements.